All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Market is gapping up and trading up a little bit. I traded late this morning. I came around 10 o'clock in the morning, and I did only one trade on Tesla.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz, and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
Which turned out to be a very decent $4,000 profit. And it's a strategy that what we call the 920 strategy. And I'm going to mention that to you. Beside that, I'm holding some treasuries and I sold some puts on TLT for next year, January. I'm going to hopefully to collect this $40,000, $46,000 profit. So let's see what would be the trade that we did. So the 920 is a strategy that Brian Pezim has developed. It's finding the stock that is moving up on a 2-minute chart strongly for about half an hour, 45 minutes, and eventually pulls back because nothing can go up like this forever. And on a pullback, you're looking for an entry right at the 20 moving average on 2-minute chart. Again, this is strategies on moving average. So 20 moving average on 20 on 2 minutes, and you're trying to get out at 9 and above 9. And potentially, if you're lucky, you can get at the high of the day as well. So it's a quick counter trend scalp strategy that it turned out to be very nicely on Tesla. And I'm going to actually zoom in a little bit to show you exactly how the trade worked. So again, Tesla had a very massive run up, as you see here. So we had this criteria, pulled back 20 moving average on the 2-minute chart. I bought that and added more. Stop loss would be a little bit below that, and it popped up to the 9 moving average partial that, above 9 moving average partial that. I was hoping to get back to the high of the day, but we never really got back to the high of the day. But overall, it turned out to be like still a good 2 to 1 risk to reward. I got out of it at the break-even point. So that was a quick scalp, yeah, that's pretty much what 920 is. What you could do is, and I did actually take some screenshots. What you can do is you can trade it with the scalps as well. Somebody in the community mentioned, for example, here, I'm gonna zoom in that. Our editor will fix this. I took Tesla 920 with options. He went long 217.50 calls. So what would that be? 217 calls. So this would be the 217 calls. So at the time that we took the 920, this moved from 560 all the way up to 650. Around this is the area that we to be partial. This is a very nice move. If you would have gone to 220, for example, a little bit out of the money, the move would have been even bigger. So from 430 all the way up to $5. So that's the move that we got in the 920 trade on option Tesla calls. Yeah, so that's pretty much for my trading. And now Tesla is selling off. Tesla might be potentially an opportunity to buy around 217, which is a level for a quick bounce. I might actually take that trade. If I did, I added to the recap. So 217 is a important level. On a daily chart, it seems that Tesla is struggling around this level. So it was a really massive sell-off on that. All right, Brian, I missed the trading at the open. How was your trading at the open?
Yeah, no, I had I had one really good trade Thor and I were on, and Thor was looking at shorting the ES, that's the futures, and I shorted AMD right at the open, and got in a really nice drop on it.
Yeah.
Right at the open. Had some really nice big candles there, so I got in around 101.50 or 100, 101. So 150, yeah, and got that drop right through 100. So yeah, it was a good breakdown trade. Just sort of trading it based on again, Thor kind of confirmed that we were going to sell off. So yeah, so that was, I guess, one good trade. Just had one and could have done one and done.
Awesome. Paris traded Tesla. Let's see what Paris did at the open. Just down, yeah. So Paris, obviously Paris trades really nicely based on the order flow. So what he did, he took it long, amazing, long tier 1. So Paris in his course, he also talks about the position sizing tier 1, 2, 3. So really nice long, popped up all the way up here. I wouldn't have taken this long, but you know, Paris is reading the order flow very nice, and he got out completely. But you know, these are the areas that Paris usually adds, but because he was completely out, he doesn't do that. But you know, it's a really nice movement after that. Very nice trading, Paris. Excellent. So that's it. I know Avi also did really nice trading. He posted on WhatsApp. Had a really nice trading. And I woke up to Avi's WhatsApp message that he also had a really nice trading day. Alright guys, have a good day. Tonight is a webinar by Ayman, guys. Trading based on multiple time frame. Very important webinar. You know, if you want to see, you know, for example, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and I think Ayman also uses 15 minute. So very important, guys, to attend. I hope that you guys come. The recording would be available, but it's very important, guys, to push yourself and to come to the event. Alright guys, have a good day, and I'll see you guys soon.